Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're gearing up for university applications in 2025 and scratching your head over how to send your IELTS scores, don't worry, I've got you covered. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide that will make the process a breeze. Whether you're a first-timer or just need a refresher, this video will help you navigate everything step by step. First off, let's quickly recap what IELTS is. It's the International English Language Testing System, and it's crucial for proving your English skills to universities worldwide. Now, for 2025, there might be some digital enhancements, like easier online score reporting, so keep an eye on the official IELTS website for the latest updates. Step 1. Log into your IELTS account on the British Council, IDP, or Cambridge English website, whichever organization you took the test with. Make sure you have your TRF, test report form, number handy. Once you're in, head to the Score Sending, or Results, section. Step 2. Select the scores you want to send. You can choose specific test dates if you've taken IELTS multiple times. Remember, most universities accept scores from the last 2 years, so double-check their requirements. Step 3. Search for and select the universities or institutions you want to send your scores to. Use the institution codes provided on their websites to avoid any mix-ups. For 2025 applications, aim to send them at least a month in advance to meet deadlines. Step 4. Pay any associated fees. This usually costs around $20 to $30 per institution, depending on your location, and it's often done via credit card right on the site. Finally, confirm your details and submit. You'll get a confirmation email, and the scores will be sent electronically or via mail, depending on the university's preference. A few quick tips. Always verify the institution codes to prevent delays. Keep track of your deadlines, especially with 2025 admissions being competitive, and if you're unsure, contact IELTS support. There you have it, you're now equipped to send your IELTS scores hassle-free. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more study abroad tips. See you in the next video.